Why is it that in the most technologically advanced societies, more people than ever feel anxious, depressed, and disconnected? This paradox, rising material comfort alongside declining mental well-being, is one of the great puzzles of our time. Historically, mental distress was often understood through spiritual or communal lenses. In pre-modern societies, suffering was seen as tied to meaning, ritual, and collective life. But with industrialization in the 19th and 20th centuries, psychology and psychiatry framed anxiety and depression as medical conditions, while rapid urbanization eroded traditional community bonds. By the late 20th century, globalization, consumerism, and individualism intensified these pressures. Today, the statistics are striking. In Western nations like the United States and much of Europe, nearly 1 in 5 adults report symptoms of anxiety or depression each year. In contrast, countries in East and South Asia, while not immune, often show lower reported rates, though stigma and underreporting play a role. The World Health Organization notes that the global prevalence of depression is around 3.8%, but it rises to nearly 7 to 8% in many Western countries, compared to 2 to 3% in several Asian nations. Why this divide? Sociologists offer insight. Emil Durkheim, writing on suicide, argued that modern individualism and weakened social ties create anomie, or normlessness, which still resonates today. Zygmunt Bauman's concept of liquid modernity describes a world of uncertainty, precarious work, and fragile relationships, all fertile ground for anxiety. Meanwhile, Richard Sennett points to the culture of hypercompetition and flexible capitalism, where identity and self-worth are tied to productivity, leaving individuals vulnerable to burnout. In many Eastern societies, family networks, communal obligations, and cultural emphasis on interdependence provide a buffer, though these too are eroding with modernization. But the contrast reminds us that mental health is not just biological, it is profoundly social. It reflects how societies distribute security, belonging, and meaning. Real-life examples show this divide clearly. The rise of workplace burnout in Silicon Valley, where tech workers enjoy high salaries but face crushing anxiety, versus rural communities in Asia, where material poverty is real but social connectedness offers resilience. Overcoming this crisis requires more than therapy or medication. It means rebuilding community, valuing rest, and resisting cultures of relentless competition, supporting others, nurturing family ties, and engaging in collective spaces, whether religious, cultural, or civic, are daily acts that push back against isolation. Anxiety and depression are not just private struggles, they are mirrors reflecting the shape of our societies. The question we face is not only how to heal individuals, but how to heal the social worlds that make us ill.